Welcome to your Boho Beautiful Pilates Bootcamp. We are in beautiful Komak, Thailand, and this Pilates Bootcamp is really special to me because I feel like I can finally share some real Pilates workouts with you that have changed my own personal life in many ways. When I was about my teenage years, I suffered through a lot of different injuries, especially back injuries, and Pilates was something that saved my life. And I've continued to use Pilates in my everyday workouts because it just works with my body so well. And this is so amazing that I have the opportunity now to bring this to you guys and to show you these exercises that you can incorporate into your own life as well and hopefully achieve the results that you're trying to attain. Every day as you commit yourself to it, you're going to get stronger and stronger, and over time you're going to see incredible results in your entire body. You guys ready? Grab your mat, grab your water, and let's get started.